Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a disk partition in Windows using inbuilt management tools. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type create disk, or you can search disk management and now you can see on the top create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. Now go to the search bar and type run. Open run by double clicking on it. Now you have to type disk disk mgmt mgmt.msc. I will tell you this code on the screen. Check your screen. You can see the command disk mgmt. You have to put this in run window. Now, after putting this code, you have to select OK option. Now you can see my disk management window is open. Now, in the disk manager window, find the disk where you want to create a partition. If there is unallocated space, skip to this step. Now, for example, I want to create partition in data D. I will click on it. Now, uh, right click an existing partition with free space and select string folio. Now, go to it, right click on it. Now, select string volume and enter amount of space you want to the new partition. For example, if you type 50,000 MB, it will create a 50 GB space. So you can enter the space here. You can increase or decrease, or you can manually put it. Like for example, I want a 50 GB space, so I will type 50,000. And after creating your space, just click on shrink, and then your uh, partition will be created, and that's it. Now, this was the video on how to create a disk partition in Windows 11. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.